Hello, this is soundcheck number 2 of the 30-day project. If you remember from last time, I said I was well at work on this project, and nothing has really changed on that. I've added much more since, I wouldn't say too much more, but instead of being at the 7 minutes or 8 minutes, I'm now at 10 minutes. There's still a little bit more I can add to this, but for the most part it's done. I have a few little editing things I need to do, and then I need to add one last part at the end. Other than that, I'm pretty much done. I think this is actually going to be a really good project. I hope that everybody enjoys it. I'm just going to play the first minute of you without the sound for a second. So let me get this set up. Alright, enjoy.
You still filming stuff though?
Yeah. That's just a sneak preview, so end of sound check 2.